with her Carnatic vocal music. She is a devoted student under Guru Deepa Bhatt, who, with her multifaceted capabilities, is imparting the knowledge of structured approach to Manodharma and creating own musical expressions. With her deep passion for music and consistent dedicated practice, Kavya continues to advance her musical journey and blossoming to be a young Carnatic vocal singer. Jagat Jayakumar, age 16, is a 10th grade high school student from Frisco, Texas. He is a devoted disciple of Guru Ethirajan Ramanujan, under whom he has been learning Mridangam for the past 6 years. He has also been pursuing Carnatic vocal training under the guidance of Dr. Aishwarya Krishna Mohan for the past year. With his deep passion for music and dedicated practice, he continues to grow as a promising young Carnatic musician. The next song will be Mahaganapatim in Raga Nakai Ekatala by Muthuswami Dikshit.
Mahaganapatim manasa Mahaganapatim manasa Smaraami 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 Vasishtavammadeva Nibandita Mahaganapatim Sarigama Ganapatim Sani Sarigama Ganapatim Mari Sarigama Ganapatim Sarigama 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 Ganapatim Sarigama Panisa Sani Pamari Sarigama Ganapatim Sarigama Ni Sani Ni Sani Pamari Sarigama Ganapatim Ni Sarigama Sarigama Digama Gama Ganapatim Sapani Ma Pagamari Sarigama Ganapatim Mama Pama Mapa Pani Papa Mamari Sarigama Ganapatim Pama Pa 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 Pani Pama Pa 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 Pama Pama Gama Mama Maga Pama Re 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 Sani Sari Sa 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 Pa Pa Mari Sa 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 Gama Pama Gama Ma Pani Pama Pa Pani Sani Pani Ni Sari Sani Sa Sari Gama Mari Sari Sani Sani Pa Mari Sani Pa Ri Sani Pama Sani Pa Mari Sari Gama Pa Pani Sa Sari Gama Pa Gama Pani Sani Sani Gama Mari Sari Sani Sani Pa Mari Sani Pa Ri Sani Pama Sani Sari Gama Ganapatim Manasa Smarami Vashishtvam Deva Nivantikama
Gamana in the Raga Hindola Aditala, composed by Tyaga. The next song will be Shogilu Saptaswara in Raga Jagan Mohini in Rupakatala by Tyagaraja. The next song will be Shri Ganesha Sharanam in the Raga Tilang Adi Tala composed by Papanasam Sivan.
Pa 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 ma 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 ga sa ga ma pa ni pa 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 ma pa ni sa ga ni sa ni pa sa ni pa ma ga ga na sa ni pa ma sa ga ma pa ni sa ma pa ni sa ma ga sa ga ma pa ni sa Shri Ganesha Sharanam Shri Ganesha Sharanam Gajanana Shri Ganesha Sharanam Gajanana Shri Ganesha Sharanam Gajanana தோழியுண்டோ நிச 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 பனி 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 மப 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 கம 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 சகம பனி சகம பனி சகம மப பனி நி 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 சா 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 ஆதிதேவன் உன்னாருள் இல்லையே தேவரும் மானும் ஸ்ரீ தோழியுண்டோ ஸ்ரீ கணேಶ ಶರಣಂ ಗಜಾನನ ದೇವ ಮುನಿಪತ್ವನಿಂ ದಯಾಕರ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶ ಶರಣಂ 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 ಶರಣಂ
The next song will be Shri Chakra Raja in Raga Malika in Aditala, composed by Agastya.
श्री चक्रराज सिंहासनेश्वरी श्री ललिताम्बिके श्री चक्रराज सिंहासनेश्वरी श्री ललिताम्बिके भुवनेश्वरी श्री चक्रराज सिंहासनेश्वरी श्री ललिताम्बिके भुवनेश्वरी आगमवेदकलामय रूपिणी आगमवेदकलामय रूपिणी अखिल चराचर जननी नारायणी अखिल चराचर जननी नारायणी नागकङ्कणा नटराज मनोहरी नागकङ्कणा नटराज मनोहरी ज्ञानविद्येश्वरी राजराजेश्वरी ज्ञानविद्येश्वरी राजराजेश्वरी श्री चक्रराज सिंहासनेश्वरी श्री ललिताम्बिके பலவிதமாயுன்னை பாடவும் பாடவும் பலவிதமாயுன்னை பாடவும் பாடவும் பாடிக்கொண்டாடும் அம்பாள் பரமல சூடவம் பாடிக்கொண்டாடும் அம்பாள் பரமல சூடவம் உலகம் முழுதும் ஏனாதகமுத காணவும் உலகம் முழுதும் ஏனாதகமுத காணவும் ஒரு நில தருவாய் காஞ்சி காமேஸ்வரி ஒரு நில தருவாய் காஞ்சி காமேஸ்வரி ஸ்ரீ சக்கராஜ சிம்ஹாசனேஸ்வரி ஸ்ரீ லலிதாம்பிகே புரன்று தீரிந்த என்னை உத்தமனாகி வைத்தாய் உரன்று தீரிந்த என்னை சேதாய் அடைக்கலம் நீயே அம்மா அடைக்கலம் நீயே அம்மா அகிலாண்டேஸ்வரி அடைக்கலம் நீயே அம்மா அகிலாண்டேஸ்வரி ஸ்ரீ சக்கரராஜ சிம்ஹாசனேஸ்வரி ಶ್ರೀಲಲಿತಾಂಬಿಕೆ ಭುವನೇಶ್ವರಿ ಆಗಮವೇದ ಕಲಾಮಯ ರೂಪಿಣಿ ಆಗಮವೇದ ಕಲಾಮಯ ರೂಪಿಣಿ ಅಖಿಲ ಚರಾಚರ ಜನನಿ ನಾರಾಯಣಿ ಅಖಿಲ ಚರಾಚರ ಜನನಿ ನಾರಾಯಣಿ ನಾಗಕಂಕಣ ನಟರಾಜ ಮನೋಹರಿ ನಾಗಕಂಕಣ ನಟರಾಜ ಮನೋಹರಿ ಜ್ಞಾನವಿದ್ಯೇಶ್ವರಿ ರಾಜರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿ ಜ್ಞಾನವಿದ್ಯೇಶ್ವರಿ ರಾಜರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಚಕ್ರರಾಜ ಸಿಂಹಾಸನೇಶ್ವರಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಲಲಿತಾಂಬಿಕೆ ಶ್ರೀ ಲಲಿತಾಂಬಿಕೆ ಶ್ರೀ ಲಲಿತಾಂಬಿಕೆ.
The next song will be Himagiri Tanaye in the raga Shuddha Danyasi Aditala, composed by H. N. Muttai Bhagavatar.
ಹಿಮಗಿರಿ ತನಯೇ ಹೇಮಲತೆ ಹಿಮಗಿರಿ ತನಯೇ ಹೇಮಲತೆ ಅಂಬಾಯೀಶ್ವರಿ ಶ್ರೀಲಲಿತೆ ಮಾಮವ ಹಿಮಗಿರಿ ತನಯೇ ಹೇಮಲತೆ ಅಂಬ ಈಶ್ವರಿ ಶ್ರೀಲಲಿತೆ ಮಾಮವ आशाकुशेषु गन्धकरे आशाकुशेषु गन्धकरे लम्बकराकरे निजभक्तपदे लम्बकराकरे निजभक्तपदे
The next song will be Padaganti Maya Mimu in Raga Mohana in Ekatala by Annamacharya.
Padaganti Maya Mimu Purushotama Padaganti Maya Mimu Purushotama Mammu Hedayakavaiya Kometirayata Padaganti Maya Mimu Purushotama Mammu Hedayakavaiya Kometirayata Padaganti Maya Mimu Purushotama కోరి మమ్మునే నటి కులదైవమాచాల కోరి మమ్మునే నటి కులదైవమాచాల ఏది చేపెద్దలిచ్చిన నిదానమా గారవించి తప్పి తీర్చు కాలమేఘమా చేరుగా చేద్దాములోని శ్రీనివాసుడా కడిపాయకాదిరిగే ప్రాణబంధుడా కడియించినటి శ్రీ వెంకటనాథుడా కడిపాయకాదిరిగే ప్రాణబంధుడా కడియించినటి శ్రీ వెంకటనాథుడా కొడగంటిమయ్యా మేము తమామము కదయకబయ్యా కోనేటి రాయగా కొడగంటిమయ్యా మేము పురుషోత్తమా
The next song will be a Tilana in Vrindavana Saranga Raga Aditala, composed by Dr. Bala Murali Krishna.
Team nanana tililana tilana nadu team tanana tililana tilana nadu team nadu team nadu team tanana tililana tilana 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 nadu team
Kavya will be concluding her performance with a Mangalam, Bhagyata Lakshmi Varma in Madhyamavati Raga Aditala, composed by Purudat Dasa.
ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನಿ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯ ಕರೆಯುತ್ತ ಪಾರೆ ಅನಕ ಮನೆಯ ಸಿದ್ಧಿಯ ತೋರೆ ಅನಕ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯ ಕರೆಯುತ್ತ ಪಾರೆ ಅನಕ ಮನೆಯ ಸಿದ್ಧಿಯ ತೋರೆ ದಿನಕರ ಕೋಟಿ ತೇಜದಿ ಹೊಳೆವ ಜನಕರಾಯನ ಕುಮಾರಿ ಬೇಗ ಭಾಗ್ಯವಂತ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ದಿನಕರ ಕೋಟಿ ತೇಜದಿ ಹೊಳೆವ ಜನಕರಾಯನ ಕುಮಾರಿ ಬೇಗ ಭಾಗ್ಯವಂತ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನೇ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯವಂತ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ಅತ್ತಿತ್ತಗಲದೆ ಭಕ್ತರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿತ್ಯ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವ ನಿತ್ಯ ಸುಮಂಗಲ ಸತ್ಯವ ತೋರುವ ಸಾಧು ಸಜ್ಜನರ ಚಿತ್ತದಿ ಹೊಳೆವ ಪುತ್ತಲಿ ಬೊಂಬೆ ಭಾಗ್ಯವಂತ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ಅತ್ತಿತ್ತಗಲದೆ ಭಕ್ತರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿತ್ಯ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವ ನಿತ್ಯ ಸುಮಂಗಲ ಸತ್ಯವ ತೋರುವ ಸಾಧು ಸಜ್ಜನರ ಚಿತ್ತದಿ ಹೊಳೆವ ಪುತ್ತಲಿ ಬೊಂಬೆ ಸತ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನೇ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ಸತ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲದ ಭಾಗ್ಯವ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಂಕನ ಕೈಯ ತಿರುಗುತ್ತ ಬಾರೆ ಶಂಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲದ ಭಾಗ್ಯವ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಂಕನ ಕೈಯ ತಿರುಗುತ್ತ ಬಾರೆ ಕುಂಕುಮಾಗಿದೆ ಪಂಕಜ ಲೋಚನೆ ವೆಂಕಟರಮಣನ ಪಿಂಕದ ರಾಣಿ ಭಾಗ್ಯವಂತ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ಶಂಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲದ ಭಾಗ್ಯವ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಂಕನ ಕೈಯ ತಿರುಗುತ್ತ ಬಾರೆ ಕುಂಕುಮಾಗಿದೆ ಪಂಕಜ ಲೋಚನೆ ವೆಂಕಟರಮಣನ ಪಿಂಕದ ರಾಣಿ ಭಾಗ್ಯವಂತ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನೇ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯವಂತ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ತೂಪದ ಕಾಲುವೆ ಹರಿಸಿ ಶುಕ್ರವಾರದ ಪೂಜೆಯ ವೇಳೆಗೆ ಅಕ್ಕರೆಯುಳ್ಳ ಅಲಗಿರಿ ರಂಗನ ಚಕ್ಕ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ರಾಣಿ ಭಾಗ್ಯವಂತ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ತೂಪದ ಕಾಲುವೆ ಹರಿಸಿ ಶುಕ್ರವಾರದ ಪೂಜೆಯ ವೇಳೆಗೆ ಅಕ್ಕರೆಯುಳ್ಳ ಅಲಗಿರಿ ರಂಗನ ಚಕ್ಕ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ರಾಣಿ ಭಾಗ್ಯವಂತ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನೇ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯವಂತ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ
That was a beautiful performance, and Deepanti would like to say a few words.
Ah, is it? Okay, why don't we do like this? This is not a formal Arangetram program, right? So I would like to hear from some of you, or maybe all of you, I don't know. Is there anybody who would like to come and give feedback for her, encouraging words for her? Any parents?
What do you want to say about it?
Thank you for performing.
He was saying that your voice was very sweet and that you should post often so that he can listen at his home. So, but yeah, that's what I wanted to share. But yeah, thank you for presenting in front of us. Thank you so much. And thank you to your parents too for inviting us and giving us an opportunity here. Thank you.
Anybody? I want to see a big line here. I want to say. No? Trust me, it is a blessing for her. Okay? All your encouraging words are blessing for her. So please don't hesitate if you would like to.
Thank you, Kavya. This was a tremendous performance. I mean, sitting here for 1 hour continuously performing for so many songs Each of them are a different style and different way of performing. So, hats off to your hard work. Keep doing great work. Good luck for all your future. We wish you all the best. Thank you so much. Thank you to the parents for inviting us. Yeah, we are blessed to be a part of this occasion. Thank you.
Anybody else?
Great performance, Kavya. I can see your dedication and peacefulness in your presence. Deepa ma'am, I can see your training in her. I think all the kids will take you as a role model, and I think you should all follow her dedication, commitment, and thanks for Kavya parents inviting us here.
Congratulations, Kavya. Congratulations, madam. Congratulations to the parents. It's a very proud moment for everybody. You're good inspiration for all the young kids. So keep going.
Who is hiding in that room? I don't see. Kavya, good job, Kavya. I mean, all songs are amazing, especially the Himagiri Tanaye and Ninnu Kori. I can see, as you're singing, like the Shruti was amazing. Like nowhere the Shruti was going out. That shows, like, how much you practiced, how much you paid dedication. Amazing. Kudos to you. Keep doing the good work. Do we have anybody who wants to share?
Just outstanding. So nice performance. We really it's like our first experience like this. Like Girl Sangeetam, we were always hearing it in temple and all. So this is unique and also not so worry about the presentation. So it's like comfortable for kids and all. It's really a good thought around it. And you did really well. And I was wondering how much time you practice every day.
Oh, like 1 hour minimum.
1 hour CPS, 1 hour every day.
That's a very good reminder for everyone. You want to be on this part of the stage? You have to. You have to give that much time, okay? Otherwise, it is not easy. Anybody wants to say
I
anything?
can say again, lovely singing. Kavya, thank you. Thanks for the opportunity. Thanks to Jagat, did a great job in accompanying her. And it's surprising to see how many songs she memorized and singing without notes. Like when she was practicing, she had a lot of folders and everything. So I thought, okay, maybe she's going to see and sing all that. But so many songs without singing and by hearting and presenting it in front of everybody, that's really great. Actually. Amazing. Thank you.
Yeah. India, one word. Thank you for reminding for him. And I saw him in DFW Temple. You are really great today. Thank you again.
I'm
And the
hoping
whole Mrudangam solo in the Sapta song.
that's called Taniyavartanam. Okay, you all need to get to know those terminologies. It's a great platform, not only for Kavya to present. It's a learning platform for her, definitely. Right, Kavya? We have learned a lot in this past week, especially with all the rehearsals going on, and even today. For me, I'm sorry about this. For me also, when I first see practicing at home, it's a different ballgame. Okay, when you are singing in front of parents, it's a different ballgame. You all know, right? Suddenly, if you are picked by your parents, come and sit and show me what you're learning, right? All of a sudden, there is this boundary that you want to create. Even though you know the song, you mumble, and you're not maybe giving 100% of effort what you did in front of your teacher in the classroom. You will not fulfill that, and that's how it is. My first performance, My teacher was so much looking forward for it. I think I just did the 70% justice of what I could have done or what I did in front of my teacher, right? So, Kavya, can you get up? I've been sitting for a long time. I know you want to stretch. First of all, hearty congratulations. Words cannot express how much she made me feel proud of her. Once again, I want to remind that this is just a beginning for her bright future. We made it, right? Many of you pointed out so many points that I wanted to say. But here I am. I want to kind of like summarize and remind all the parents. See, when a kid has to excel like this, there is so much the parent has to offer. Okay? First of all, congratulations to Shailaja and Santosh. Very Santosh. I just want him to be here also when I'm saying this. Where is he? He's coming? Okay. Oh, big round of applause to the dad. Yeah. Remember, dear parents, okay? I definitely want to identify the effort and the pain each one of you are taking. It's not easy. I'm a parent too. My kids go to 3 different art forms, not 4 different art forms. Taking them to Mridangam class, Bharatanatyam class, Sangeetam class. Just taking them is enough? Not enough. At home, you need to be a villain. Hey, get up, practice. I don't know. No, you have to. I understand that struggle because every single day I am doing it with my kids as well. Right? Am I being a villain mom? No? Okay, so commute because you all know how far it is. From here, they have to come every week to our home, and sometimes, if practices are needed, more than one time as well. Right? Hats off to you both for creating and fostering that music environment at home. It is very, very important. Even today, I tell you, how much ever the guru is having their influence, it starts from home, right? A very little appreciation when they are practicing, right? It's easy to tell that go and practice, right? With all I have seen kids, I know my childhood versus how the childhood for these kids over here. We are putting them in so many activities, bombarding them with so many expectations. And what kind of a mental, psychological pressure they are going through. Please understand, this is a request for each and every parent. Okay? Learning a Bollywood dance is easy. Trust me, movie song is comparatively easy. Versus, like he said, memorizing so many swarams. Do you think it's easy? No. That too under this much of pressure, making sure she remembers everything, and copy pasting is a different thing. That happened in our school when she started from ABCD in Sangeetam to where she is today, right? Initially, imitating teacher is very important. Then, moving from imitation to imagination. We say it in Sangeetam language, learning the concepts to Kalpana Swarams, Manodharmam. It's a different level of ballgame, right? It's a divine skill that you all have experienced. Many of you mentioned, loved her voice. She did capture and won our hearts, right? So, memorizing something and singing is different from connecting to individual, right? So that is what we have witnessed today. There is so much strength in you, Kavya. This should be your inspiration for achieving even more big. Okay? Rest all, art forms that you're learning, I don't know how far you want to take, but sincere request, Sangeetam doesn't have an end point. This stays with you for lifetime, and this is going to give you so many benefits. You're going to reap out of it, whether you understand and realize it now or not. But believe me, you have touched the divine padam of the Guru. Okay? I'm so proud of you. Sorry, the proud teacher, how she feels like I cannot stop. I'm so sorry. I think Jagat, Kana, come here. He is She was amazing. She was amazing. Somebody said that I did see you in Purandaradasa Aradhana, right? Compared to his performance that day to this day, how many of you really saw the difference? Right? So, playing the concepts for a classical concert art form is entirely different from playing for just the kirtana, right? He had his learning also. We three had kind of a talk. We did miss here, you did do that. The thing happened here, but none of you, I don't think how many of you realized it. It's a journey that you all also have started with. He's been a shining star in DFW. I'm gonna wish him he should get many, many, many more opportunities. He has magic in his hand. Talagnanam is really good. There is a room to improve also. Never ever think that, oh, I'm getting there, because there will be so many motivation words and appreciation you get it. But always make sure you know how to control that emotion of getting the ego. Kind of like, I know it now, I know. Please don't let that happen, because when it comes, our growth ends. Okay? And I want you to really grow, and there is a long way. My pranam to your guru. Really, he has taught you very well. And I would like to see you being part of our school also. There is so much we will be, planning ahead, and we need his support as a foundation to everybody's singing.
Sure.
Thank you very much. God bless you. I would like to hand over to Kavya. If you want to say something, how was your experience?
It was like definitely new for me, and I learned a lot of new things that I can implement next time. And I want to thank Deepanti and my parents for giving me this opportunity. Oh, and the audience.
So, did you like today's performance? Yeah. Thank you so much for taking your time off your busy schedule and coming and attending this event. This is something first time that we have done, and I'm so blessed and so happy that it did go on well. I think so. Yeah. So yeah, lot of lot of training, hard work has been behind these. The entire journey. I remember the time when it started from just taking it like a plane. When she first started, when she was at 6, it was just like a plain thing. Neither Deepa was very serious and strict, and neither the kids took her strict, and it was just go for an hour and have fun. More of interactions and more of talking. Starting from that level to where she has reached now, it's been like I feel very happy and proud. Thank you, Deepa. Thank you so much. And Jagan, thank you so much. I got to know you only for a while, but you did an amazing job. Thank you, and all the very best for your future. Yeah, so thank you all for coming and blessing this event. Yes, as a father, he would like to talk.
Yeah, thank you so much for everyone for coming here. First thing, thanks to Deepa ma'am and Nandu sir and Shruti ma'am, all the team here. It was everybody's concern, and especially Deepa ma'am and Nandu sir. They're always there. They're always for everybody. They always say yes. They're the yes family. So if you have seen the yes movie, yeah. So
and you can always see her like this, smiling and encouraging people, no matter how much she is going through with all her hectic schedule and everything. You can always see her smiling face.
Yeah, we are not even 10% of what she can be. Both family, the whole families and the kids as well. Amazing kids. She just traveled and she came from Austin directly here for this year. So that's her commitment. So, and I sincerely thank you, ma'am. And Jagan, thank you very much. Wonderful performance. And thank you, sir. And thank you to all the parents for coming. Yeah. We'll have some snacks and food and coffee as well. Please take your time and thank you, sir. Now you want to say anything?
Yeah, before that, I want kids to take pictures with Kavya also. We'll make this a tradition. I really want Kavya to double your practice sessions, not from 1 hour, slowly for next month, next maybe 2-3 months, 1.5 hour, and eventually we need to target for 2 hours. Okay, really we need to make even more big difference with the Arangetram that we may plan soon. I don't want to commit to it. I want to see her doing first. Sorry, once they are growing, I have to become a strict teacher versus the casual teacher, right? Okay, all right then. Come and take pictures, have fun. If you want to say anything personally to her, please do so, because I don't know how many of you had an opportunity to visit the kacheris when you were young, right? It's always that you enjoy the kacheri and come and talk to the artist, even though they are the budding artist. I would still want to encourage that tradition so that we carry those traditions, right? Yeah. So thank you, one and all. Like they said, please enjoy the refreshment.
We just want to say our thanks first to Jagan. Can you come up? Jagat, yeah. Sir, you parents also could join him just on this side. Sure. Just for representing. Jagat, thank you so much. God bless you and keep performing. Thank you. And Deepa ma'am, we also want you to come. Mama, Miriam. Come, go step forward. Again, thank you, Deepa ma'am, for. Thank you.
You all want to take pictures? Maybe Kavya's friends first? Yeah.